Hey guys, this is Declaration, and today we're gonna start with routing the exhaust system for my factory 535 hot rod truck. Got Brian here. Oh yeah, you ready to get this going?
Fuel by do, yes I am.
I love it. All right, so stand by and let's figure this out. And just a little hint. It's not gonna get routed the normal way. Thinking, yeah. Hey guys, so right now this is kind of what our progress has been for today. We haven't really been talking as we've been going, but this because this was pretty hectic. Brian, you pulled the short straw on this side.
Yeah, I definitely got the short straw on this side today. We keep trading back and forth. It's all right.
Yeah, we keep swapping back and forth for the pain in the ass jobs and the good jobs. So we'll show. We got my exhaust system actually plumbed. So as you can see, comes down here into the downpipe. Provisions for a wideband O2 sensor that I have, and then it plumbs under. You see the muffler, and then we got a nice little side of the exhaust. Looks so good. But then we run into the issue on Brian's side. So as you can see, this downpipe is down. But what ended up happening is when we bolt this in with one or two of these big thicky spacers and stuff, what ended up happening is there was interference right here. It was touching. And then we did very creative with spacers, and even with an additional third spacer that is probably too hot to touch right now because Brian has been grinding on it. We're even having interference with this back piece touching here. So we are in kind of a stopping point right now. We might be able to make it work with these spacers, but I'm actually kind of considering getting a either one of these pipes remade or these pipes remade to just fit better instead of having 3 spacers hanging off the side of my engine, you know what I mean? So that might be a conversation with an exhaust shop and make it happen, because the other side came together so beautifully. It was just butter. So it's annoying that one side just kept giving us problems, the other side was beautiful. But yeah, but while Brian got held up, he decided to finish the fuel system. You filmed during that, right?
Yeah, they're off and on some of them there.
Okay, yeah, so as you can see, we got a full supply line. We ran a little bit short on this for our return line, so we'll get that figured out. But fuel to the plumb to the pressure regulator, and look at that, my swirl pot is looking like a bundle of noodles coming in and out of it. So obviously we got to tighten all these hoses down, but it looks really good. Plumbed right in through here, through the frame, so away from the heat as well as anything else that may be happening. So a nice safe area. But yeah, looking good. All right guys, so this was a fun one. This one is really making it feel like it's getting real. Like this is getting very close to the first fire. So, Brian,
Hey,
have you ready for the first fire up?
I am. I'm ready to go karting.
Yeah, we're going go-karting. All right, but definitely appreciate I definitely appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you like the video, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and hit that like button. All right, have a good one. Peace.